My goodness. So here we are. Look at all these exotics. It's beautiful. We're at the Lamborghini dealer. They said you could bring the truck all the way out here, but it's going to be a tight turn. And, you know me in tight turns, right? That's our favorite thing to do. Jump over curbs, with Lamborghinis next to our fishtail of the trailer. Can I make this turn? Nah, I don't think I want to try. I mean, if that Lexus wasn't there, I'd be like totally up on this fire hydrant and trying to make it a wide turn, but I think I'm just gonna back this girl. Huh? I don't think I want to swing my tail next to these Aventadors and Huracans. Just be like jumping out each time. Look, someone swung their tail, ran over the lawn. I don't think I want to do that. Oh man, so that's how the day's going. What this guy's running in his GTI. So I guess these are the employee cars. So my truck is parked like a zip code away. I'm just gonna walk back to it. Maybe I'll back it up to here and just hop over this speed bump and load the Lamborghini in the trailer. Oh, what do you think? The JP Logistics guy out there, he's kind of blocking, so yeah, that's how things are going for me today. What else? Look at this 944 paint faded. Let's see how many miles are on this, huh? This thing is definitely like a barn find, but scorched by the sun. Look at that rear end. Oh my goodness, all taken apart. Sweet. All that for an alternator. Okay, maybe not, but you know what I'm saying? Could be just to get to the alternator. What else they got here? Taycan Turbo, Cayenne, Panamera S, Panamera 4, Cayenne GTS. They got every kind of Porsche out here. I tell you what they don't have. I don't even know. They don't have an electric semi-truck here, huh? Not yet, but they're coming. You know, I was thinking about that, the electric semis. They'll be good for doing stuff like dump trucks, local 200 miles, and then charge up at night. Simply gonna have to have an extra axle for the battery. Yeah, that's what's going on. Here I am in the Porsche zip code. There's the JP Logistics trucks blocking me over there. Proficient is here. Look at that. This guy is taking up room too. So it turns out I'm at the Bentley delivery. The addresses got mixed up. How do they do that? I don't know. But we're not going to get out of the trailer unless we release the brake. So let's calm down and watch the roof line. How's that look? Okay. Here we are with a Bentley in all its glory. No, not a lot of cars available down here in Naples because of the hurricane. So they got to buy from out of state. Look at this beautiful thing, huh? Love those headlights. Wow, what a stressful day. But looks cool out here in these neighborhoods, gated communities. So yeah, it's a real inconvenience when you have incorrect address or name or anything. GPS search says turn right here, and look at that, it says no trucks this exit. I think that means us, and we're gonna follow that rule. But nice to see these golf course areas and just beautiful trees, landscaping. And the Bentley chasing us behind. That's cool. The guy's going for a drive. We deliver the car. He's like, oh, let's see this thing. What did I buy? My goodness, guys, look what I spotted here. What in tarnation? Oh, he's got access panels. He's got rust. He's got leaking hub oil seals and a tail cone bubble. Wow. Pretty cool. I don't know. Oh my goodness. Look at that. And he parks underneath the power line. Is this one open? Whoa, dude. We're totally checking out someone's trailer. This is crazy. This is like Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego or something. CT Lee Transport. Grantsburg, Wisconsin. No lot lizards. Oh my goodness. I don't know. You gotta even though it's like a box of rocks, you gotta adore it for what it could have been or was. All right, the Maserati has been parked and delivered. The Autobox truck over there. What do you guys think? Should I be Autobox stay or leave? I don't know. I just feel like I like this job, but I also hate it in some ways. You know what I mean? Like, there's potential, but there's probably no potential. I don't know. Like tell me. Like, you know what I'm saying? Check out that flag. That's pretty sweet. Naples, this side, they said the water was 8 feet high, and the girl said this whole lot was flooded, so 8 feet high, 60 cars, including a Ferrari floating around, so it must have been really ugly. You can still see leaves and stuff. Look at this. This was in the flood. It's probably broken. This might have been flooded. Look at all that garbage over there. So yeah, it must have been a real disaster out here. Right in the middle of the street again. What in the world? The owner's manual goes down there. Another one of those googly-eyed Porsches. So let's load it in the trailer. Yeah, so it's beautiful, Savannah, Georgia.